Okay, so you joined me in my bedroom randomly. So I thought I'd open this. This, we think, is my Hydro. So I just have to come home from school, and I saw this, and I was like, you know what, this got to be my Hydro. I thought this was coming later on, but, I thought I'd just really quickly show you. I don't have my tripod inside, so I'm just gonna, you're just gonna have to bear with me here. Didn't really prepare for this, to be honest. Yeah. Maybe switch over to the dominant hand. Yeah. Come on. Oh, a bit damaged. It is fast way, so. You know what? As long as the thing itself isn't broken, I'm not going to be fussed. And here we go. I think it's this side. My first ever, Hydro! Proper Hydro. So, now you can probably tell that it is pink. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. It's a kind of a darker pink, but we're not keeping it pink, unfortunately. I'll run you guys through. Listen, hold on, let me take it out of the box. So this is the Hydro. So basically, this is the Hydro for the drift car, and the reason why I ordered it in pink, it was cheaper than getting a black one for some reason. This was like €70, and the other one, the black one, was 100, which made no fucking sense to me. But it's here now, and it doesn't look too bad. Obviously, it needs to be done up. But the reason why I got a pink one, the main reason is, hold on, let me go find. I have this. Now this, basically, I bought this God knows how long ago for my wheel setup here. This is my Logitech G920 wheel setup, basically, and I bought this handbrake for it, and I didn't know much about sim rigs at the time, and I realized that this doesn't work for my Xbox, which was upsetting. But basically, these two, if we put them side by side like this, they are basically the exact same. So, obviously, this nut is on this side because I've taken this one apart a couple times trying to get it to work. But basically, if we do this as well, it's kind of hard trying to see on camera, but there is, so basically there's this one. This is the one that's going in the car, and then this is the one they bought. They're basically the same bolt pattern. So what my thought is I'll take the pink handle off of this one and swap them so I have a black handle, or I could rock the pink handle for a while, maybe. I don't know, but there you go. I thought I'd just kind of show them off, show the difference, and show what I'm doing. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to show the installation process of the Hydro, but I'm very, very excited. So, you now join me in the shed. So, basically, behind me, I kind of fucked up the camera. Okay, so I kind of fucked up the camera angling. Basically, I can't switch. Doesn't matter. But anyways, we now have Hydro numero uno, the purple, the pink, purple, whatever you want to call this. I'm going to call this purple, or pink, whichever comes says. This handle with this handle, switches you around, and then we're going to make up the bracket to then weld to this. Now you've probably seen this before, so we showed this off before. And the black BMW, as I originally said, isn't here. So, we got the navy BMW. You cannot tell at all if that's the... There you go. We got the navy BMW. And that car, I'm kind of sad about it, but I'm selling it. The reason being, I have 4 BMWs now. I'm going to record me doing the Hydros. So, yeah. I still need to try and figure out a better way to film all this shit, because this is kind of shit, but I mean, I need to fucking clean this place. That's definitely something I just need to do. But we actually have a new license plate to add to our wall of license plates. For those of you who don't know, this is my wall of license plates. We have another one. This is the one off of the black BMW because I bought it nice metal plates because I don't like BMWs without plates. So, put that on there like that. Obviously I need to drill it, but now we've got 2 BMW license plates. We've got the black BMW, the navy BMW, the cold, the silver Skoda, and the golden Skoda. Let's quit yapping and start doing this. And then we can start fabricating up a mount for this. So, yeah. Okay, so this is our brand new Hydro. It is now black. And that looks pretty darn sick. So, I think I put everything back together properly. I mean, there's this kind of shim looking thingies just sitting around, so I don't know. Yeah. Basically, put back together. I think I need to tighten this bottom bolt. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but when I took this piece off, this bottom bolt was hand tight. Basically, I could grab the nut and turn, like I hit off of it and it just came off. So I'm glad I did this and not just left it on, because if I left it on, that might have been bad. But anyways, gotta tighten the bottom bolt, like I said, and then I'm going to start fabricating mounts. Also, we've kind of got away from the whole vice thing because the thing that I use to hold the camera, which is like this, only with camera hold on the top, is up in the black BMW, up in the garage, and I'm not going to go try and unlock the garage to do that. So this is our setup. I don't know if you like it better, if you prefer it, do you not prefer it, let me know. But now, I've got to make a bracket, basically, to hold this. I'm basically just going to use this one instead of using this one because they're basically the same. And this one's just going to be easier to move around. And if I drill into it, if I break it, doesn't really matter. This one, it definitely fucking does. Let me tell you what. So, what I'm basically now going to do is go out to that car, see where I want that Hydro to sit, see where it feels comfortable, and then we're going to give it a shot. Should probably be trying this in the car, but again, the car is up in the garage, and it's also kind of in pieces right now. The whole interior, because we're wiring right now, so fingers crossed. Knock on mint sign. That is also wood. We'll be fine. I don't even think I even need to cut a piece. This is the old switch panel, if you guys remember. Look at this. That is the exact reason why I keep metal around here. Because it's shit like that. That is... So, I'm very excited about that. I thought I had to go cutting a new piece. But this piece works really fucking well for this. Not gonna lie. Very excited. I'm gonna basically make this bolt-on too. Don't know how I'm gonna manage that, but we're gonna figure that out. Why don't we just weld this to this? Bolt-on, I think, so I can move it from chassis to chassis just for whatever reason. It's nice to have it bolt-on. That's why most of this shit is either screw-on or bolt-on, so basically I can, for whatever reason, engine blows, car, I total the cars with ditch, whatever, I can basically take everything that was mine and that I made, move it onto a new chassis. Or if I buy a new chassis, I can move it onto it. Whatever. So yeah. That's cool. Okay, so apologies for rain noise if that comes across on camera, but here is our little piece of metal here. It's a bit rough, as you can see, but basically this bracket is going to sit on that, like so. Cut that little notch out so I can have room for the spacer. That's going to sit in there like that, and then I'm going to drill a hole. These 2 green holes, you can't really see this bottom one, but those 2 holes are for these holes on the Hydro. And then I'm basically just going to nut bolt these 2 through each other, basically drill a hole through this to this, and then drill a hole through these 2, and then bolt it to it instead of weld it to it, because just for ease of maintenance, ease of whatever. So yeah, apologies that I'm not recording anything today. It's just that kind of, that's really my setup, and I'm kind of everywhere. I'm kind of to here, to there, to everywhere. So yeah, main reason is that I play my music. I record on my phone, I play my music on my phone, and I can't find the Spin Southwest on my radio. So yes, this is an old. Funny thing about it though, it's a Mitsubishi. She's a Mitsubishi, which is kind of funny. She's pure chef play, I'm telling you what. So, the hydro mount is done, and I fucking love it. Again, it's not in the car yet, but that's pretty fucking sick if I do say so myself. So basically, this is all duct tape, yet again. It's all this nice coated duct tape. Hydro's in. Again, it doesn't work right now, because it's not in the car, obviously. But, you know, it's ready to go. All I gotta do now is install it in the car. Hopefully that'll be the next clip. Actually, I'll just explain how I did it, first of all, of the hydro. I basically made the mount like this. I didn't weld anything like I said I would. It's gonna look a little bit ugly when I turn it upside down, but it's a bit rusty. It's fine. Also, you know, let me finish this. So, this is the plate that the hydro is attached to, and I basically got bolt here, drilled them through, and it's now attached like that, and then basically works fine, shouldn't get in the way of anything, and it's closest to me, so that, say for example, that this right here is my steering wheel, can go round, and then easily pull that shift gear, so I don't have to be reaching, instead of, you know, throw the wheel, have to go all the way over here. It's a lot nicer just to go like that, in my opinion. So, but fun fact, all the sheet metal I've been using for this, for the switch panel, for that, for basically everything, has come out of this very shed. From the very first day when we took all the sheet metal from where is it? I might have some here. You might have seen in the video, one of the videos, but basically, this sheet metal, here's a chunk, is basically, ow, that was loud, same as this. So, for anybody saying that, oh, you can't do just don't save the garbage, we do. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Bitches. And I didn't go buy a new handbrake, because technically, this is an €140 handbrake if you think about it. Just saying. But yeah, I did trim this piece a bit. I did realize it was rubbing. Every time I threw it into first gear, it was rubbing here, so I just gave it a big trim, and I'm going to pray that works. I didn't test it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys all later. Goodbye.
Promiscuous, my style is ridiculous. If you see